never been so loud before. Just trying to make you understand my eyes and hands, but you don't even hear my call. And you make me wonder who I am. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry and say you won't be mad. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. Just say you want me. Say you want me. Say you want me bad. Say you won't be mad. Just say you want me. Say you want me bad. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. We can't compete with speed and sound, 'cause heart is too hard to predict. You should admit, slowly things will come around. I'm still waiting for you to say it, say it. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry and say you won't be mad. Say you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. Just say you want me. You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know. And you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All the years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the fuck-ups, breakups, bumps in the road we've been until break. We keep rushing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, you're a smile. It's you and I. It's you and I. You won't say it out loud, but I can tell you're not fine, 'cause I know you like that. I know you better than anyone you know.
passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt.